Presenting the new sliding glass systems, Seeglass RUN 3. Seeglass RUN 3 is a result of years of research and development, incorporate a new option for a motorized and also have a minimalistic design and high quality material. Easy movement with only one finger thanks to the new wheel. The panels slide in the new stainless steel tracking mechanism. This is a frameless system for a panoramic skyline. The new lower profile is just amazing. With only one profile, you have 3 different options: a standard profile, embedded profile, or also the profile with a ramp, especially designed for persons with reduced mobility. Cleaning and maintenance, very easy. One panel has an independent opening that facilitates the opening and the cleaning of the rest of the panels. We incorporate new opening device in the system. We have a new vertical handle with a straight line and really minimalistic, a new embedded profile just in the lateral profile for the blocking of the system, and also a new self-closing located in the lower parts that you can use with your feet and improve the security of the system. Now we have a LED light option incorporated in the upper profile of the system, when you can choose between cold or warm LED lights, creating the perfect atmosphere for relaxing moments. In a short time, we will have a new option. This system can be motorized and the panels can be opened automatically. This will be with our new model Seeglass M-RUN 3. A slide to the future with the new Seeglass RUN 3.